Oh, Sammy? What's going on here?
Hey there, guys! We're going to Egypt today!
But I wasn't planning on traveling that far. You never mentioned it.
So, got the shorts, got water. What could I possibly forget? Ah, Ginger! Ginger! Hurry up, time to go! The mysteries of the Sphinx are waiting for us, my dear hamster.
Sammy, spill the beans. What are you up to?
Oh, come on, Sue! There are pyramids in Egypt, you know? And there's so much interesting stuff in them. Intricate labyrinths, underground passages, dangerous levels with riddles, heaps of gold and mummies. Ginger will love it there. Ginger, where are you? Are you ready for a pyramid training session?
Sammy, I don't think Ginger liked your mummies.
Ugh, he really disappointed me. I mean, what about the labyrinths and pyramids? Ugh.
You know, Sammy, you don't really have to go to Egypt for that. I know a pyramid our Ginger will definitely like.
Wow, a real pyramid with labyrinths here? Wow.
Hi, guys. Today we're making a labyrinth for Ginger.
It's an Egyptian pyramid, so you're the best.
We'll have 6 levels, Sammy. And then we'll have different obstacles on each of them.
What are these for, Sue? They're all different sizes.
These are the pyramid base parts. First, we'll need to cut an opening in this one for Ginger to be able to move from one level to the other. Guys, you can ask adults to help you with that. Okay, now let's paint them with different colors. Remember the labyrinth we made before?
Yeah, Ginger's in it like all the time. He only leaves it to get a treat.
True. Look, Sammy, I'll show you how to paint the bases. There. You've got to be careful, though, and wear protection while working with paint. Like that. One color for each pyramid level.
I'll paint them, and you guys remember to wear protective gloves, too. Look, Sue, it's a sand effect paint. Great, isn't it?
Amazing. Looks just like the real thing, right, guys? Wow.
Sure, because Sam's a decor genius.
And he's very modest. Well, let's assemble it. We'll start with the simple stuff. We cut 4 triangles out of cardboard. They'll form the pyramid sides, like this. Careful.
What's this? A window? Where did you see a window in the pyramids?
Well, we need it to see how Ginger behaves inside the pyramid. This seems right. We only need to secure the last wall and…
Wait! We still need to make an entrance for Ginger.
Oh, right. I almost forgot all about it. We'll cut out a small archway following these lines. Be careful, or ask an adult to help.
And I'll decorate the entrance in the meantime.
Here you go, Sammy.
Look how cool it is.
Let's get to the next level. Guys, Sam and I cut out the walls for our labyrinth already. We have inner pyramid walls and outer walls.
I'm done, Sue. We can attach the walls.
Great. We'll start putting up the inner walls then. You'll have to do the same on the next levels.
I'll deal with it. But I'll be back, guys. Oh, there are so many of these.
To the outer walls now. It's pretty simple, too. They must be attached at an angle, just like the real pyramid walls. One more. There. Ta-da! Sammy, how's it going with all the other levels?
They will be ready soon. You know I'm always invested in what I do.
I never doubted you, Sammy. I'm your biggest fan, you know. Guys, we prepared an unusual obstacle for Ginger on this level. A rainbow tunnel!
Did someone say rainbow?
Sammy, it's the color of our slinky. Guys, do any of you have a slinky?
Wow, Ginger will definitely love it.
This is the next level of our pyramid. We'll have elaborate passages here.
Look what I came up with, Sue. They look just like the real thing, don't they?
Ooh, good job. Sammy, you always have so many cool ideas. I envy Ginger quite a bit. Guys, on the 3rd level, we'll have several kinds of obstacles. Try and come up with a name for each. Comment with your suggestions.
Ginger, let's go. He's not a toy. Ugh, so naughty. Here you go, Sue.
Thank you, Sammy. I think Ginger is a little bored. We'll fix that soon. Make sure that the straw pieces are apart from each other. And the last one. Ready? Sammy, what's next?
Well, here, we need a whole lot of balls.
Done! It won't be easy to get out of this moving room.
Sue, what's this for? Is it an invisible wall?
No, Sammy, it's more of an invisible tunnel. 3 of them to be precise.
Invisible? Will Ginger be able to walk through them? I'm worried now.
Don't you worry, Sammy. I thought it all through. Could you please cut these parts out?
Okay. I should warn Ginger and tell him to stay sharp.
For the tunnel to hold, we'll prop it up on both sides. There we go. We need 6 pieces like this, 2 for each tunnel.
I'm done! Sue, I can't wait to see the invisible tunnel.
It's almost ready. Don't rush. We'll hold it in place for a bit.
Oh, it'll be hard to get through. Will Ginger make it?
He has my confidence. We only have one last obstacle on this level. The stick should be attached to the pyramid walls at an angle. This one goes higher, and the one before it goes lower. Yes, guys! Our 3rd level is ready! Look, guys! Sam prepared everything we need. Good for him.
Well, sure, because I'm the king of cardboard labyrinths.
You most definitely are, Sammy. I mean, you worked so hard on the labyrinth we made before.
That's right. Guys, did you see our 5-level labyrinth for hamsters? If you didn't, the link to this video will appear. Where is it? Oh, here.
Yeah, and be sure to subscribe to our channel not to miss new videos.
Oh, my fat Sue! Have you finished the level already?
Not yet, Sammy. There'll be something else on this level.
And what will it be, Susie?
On this level, we'll have, ta-da, a spider web.
Wow, our little spider would love it there.
We won't use a real spider web, Sammy. Ginger won't appreciate it. Ta-da!
Sue! May I try it?
Sure, Sammy. I'll prepare something for our next level in the meantime.
Susie! I got it all done, but there's a little bit of an issue.
Sammy!
Oh, thank you so much. It was meant that way. Let's check out the result.
We are finally ready to build our last level. I can't wait to let Ginger in there. Ginger will face a tough trial on this level.
Because the pyramid treasure is hidden there. Do you know who guards this treasure?
I'm not giving away my treasure just like that.
So what if Ginger gets scared?
Then we need to make sure Ginger gets through this labyrinth no matter what. We'll put his favorite treat into the treasure chest. Well, the treasure's in place.
The mummies are in place too.
We made it! Let's hurry up and put our pyramid together.
Let's go! Oh, it's beautiful. Get the hamster in.
Good luck, Ginger.
He's off to a good start.
He seems to like the slinky.
And on to the next level. Go, Ginger, go! He looks like a snake.
Yeah, he does a bit, doesn't he? Come on, buddy, you can do it.
There comes the yellow level. He seems confused.
Oh, he's a clever boy.
Watch out for the invisible tunnel, my friend! Oh, that was easy.
Ginger passes the yellow level. Yay! 2 more to go.
He looks so confident.
Go, Ginger! Go on! That's one way to do it.
Oh, he went back. But I'm sure he'll figure it out. Yes!
And the last level.
He can smell the treasure. He's so brave. He's not scared of the mummy.
You're almost there, Ginger. Yeah! Here you go, my brave hamster.
But he still needs to get out.
You like the mummy so much, huh?
Yay!
Well done, Ginger. Well, guys, it's time to say goodbye. Did you like today's labyrinth and a pyramid? Do you want to see more?
Then give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel not to miss new videos. And I'm off to Egypt.
Egypt? What?
Now.